Hey, what's up you guys? So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the CAUSEBOX intro box for spring 2020. I just signed up for CAUSEBOX. This is going to be my first unboxing with it, but from now on I will be getting the regular boxes that they send out. But the cool thing about this one is that it only costs $25 and there's supposed to be over $100 worth of product in the box, which is really cool. And I believe the only reason they sold it is because they ran out of the original box, which sucks. But this one is supposed to be filled with some really cool past favorites that I've never gotten because I've never had the box before, so that just makes sense. And I'm really excited to see what CAUSEBOX has to offer. Regularly, this box is $54, $55 a month, which is really expensive. But if you get the yearly subscription, it's $200, so that's only $50 a box. Plus, if you get the full year subscription and you start out with the intro box, which is only $25, it's actually only $175 for the year. So that's a quick little hack that you can do. But without further ado, let's get into it because I'm so excited to see what is in this box. Okay, so first of all, they said that they're going to be sending all of their items in a specialty box from a past, season. I'm gonna guess that this one was from New Year's, considering it's really cute and it has a bunch of disco balls and little party hats. So I'm guessing a lot of this stuff maybe came in their January box or December box or whenever they send out their winter box. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Look how cute the inside is. Oh, I just love it. It's so pretty. And the whole thing about this box is that it's all made, well, not all made, but mostly made by women-run companies, and it's supposed to be eco-friendly and sustainable and just really good for the environment. So it's a subscription box that is supposed to help you live more sustainably and buy ethically made products, which I think is really cool considering it's difficult to go out of your way to buy ethically made products. Now you just kind of get them sent to your door and you just pay a flat fee, which I really like. Okay. So the first thing I see is they send you a little pamphlet. It's really cute. I'm gonna guess this has all the stuff in it. No, it does not. It does not have all the things in it. Oh, it pretty much just explains what box customization are and what's the auto market and pretty much a description of what you can do and what they stand for. That's really cool. Just letting you know what they're all about. I like that. Oh, okay. And here is what, oh, I don't want to look at that. But this is where all the products are. I just saw one of them and it's really cute. But I'm gonna look at those so I can tell you the prices of all of them. See if we got our money's worth. So the first thing I see is this, which is really cool. The card says it's vegan leather and it's an envelope clutch from October Japer? I don't really know. But either way, this retails for $54. So right off the bat, this product is worth more than double what I paid for the box. So that's really cool. And it says, from Japer with love. With roots in craftsmanship, this clutch was created using high-quality vegan leather and meticulous hand stitching. Designed exclusively for CAUSEBOX members, it features thoughtful details like slip pockets, a magnetic closure, and zipper storage. All October Japer products are ethically made with a reverence to traditional methods in their desert home in Rosh Hashanah. I'm horrible pronouncing words, please forgive me. But either way, that's really cool. Ooh, it's cute. It's like a little zipper inside. I like it. And there's a little card. Oh, that's so cute. It also comes with a little card that says where it's from and a code on the back to get 20% off your next purchase. I'll put the code below, but the code is CAUSE. I don't know when that expires, but if you're looking to buy something from October Japer, that's really cool, and now you get a discount. The next item I see are these, and they are really cool. It's Indian Fine Paper Note Set. And let's see, these retail for $12, and it's handmade stationery from Paper Source. Wait, that's really cool. Okay, so these are cards. Let me feel them. Ah! Bunch of stuff just dropped on the ground. Ignore it. Okay, this is so weird. So, they're note cards, but they're not made out of paper. They're made out of cotton scraps. And you can see it. It doesn't look like paper. I don't know if you can see it. That's really cool. I I like it. I like it a lot. They like look ethically made. Does that make sense? Not just like the look of it, it's also the look of the paper. Like it doesn't look like paper. I'm probably over explaining this, but it's $12 and they're really cute, and I'm going to use these to write some cards for birthdays or something. Pretty much I'm going to use them for whenever I forget to buy a card for an event, because let's be real, I do that a lot. Okay, on to the... I dropped the cards. Oh, I'm dropping everything. Okay, next thing is this Wild Konjac facial cleansing sponge. Okay, it's really lightweight. Like, feels like nothing. Ooh, it's pink. I love pink. Oh, okay. I don't really know what this is. Okay, what? It's like really hard. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like styrofoam. Is this styrofoam? Okay, it's not styrofoam. Okay, so it's an exfoliator that you're supposed to use when you're in the bath. Oh, and the place that makes this, Wild, donates a percentage of each sale to the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society, an international nonprofit marine wildlife conservation organization. So that's really cool. So I think the whole deal with this is it's supposed to be, doesn't pollute the environment or the ocean, but it's an exfoliator. And I'm excited to try this because it really feels like styrofoam. Like I hope it softens up in the water. It probably will, but like, I don't know, it feels weird. Oh, and that retails for $16.90, so that's cool. The next thing in the box, which we all knew we were getting, we just didn't know which color, is a Swell bottle. Oh my god. So I love Swell bottles. I actually already have one, but this one is super duper cute, and this one retails for $35. It's adorable. It's 17 ounces, insulated stainless steel. And yeah, you pretty much get it. It's a water bottle. But I love the color I got. I think it's so pretty. It's kind of like a abstract, maybe flowers? A little bit like flowers, but like an abstract flower. It's like just the thought of a flower, not like a real flower. Yeah. Either way, this one's really cute. I like it. I like it. And the last thing in our box is L'Allure Black Currant Vetiver Candle. It's black currant, jasmine, and honey, 8 ounces, hand poured in the US. So let's smell this bad boy. Okay, now let's smell this bad boy. It smells like I'm rich. Like, really rich. But not that it has like a rich scent like chocolate or something savory, because it doesn't. It just smells like I'm really wealthy. Does that make any sense? This is about the prettiest smelling candle that I've ever smelled in my whole entire life. I don't want to burn it, because then it will be gone and I don't like it when things are gone. Where is the price? I dropped the price. Of course I dropped the price. Nope. Okay. I had it. It has to be on one of these cards. Aha! Found it. So let's see. L'Allure. Oh wow, okay. So this is a $29.50 candle. So that's a lot considering my Bath & Body Works candles are 3 wicks and I usually pay like $12 for them. Ooh. So this is a woman-led and founded company. They're committed to creating fragrant, clean burning candles that will bring a little lure into your home. Oh, that's cute. I see what they did there, because their name is L'Allure. And lure means light, like a light bulb, or like a candle light. But it smells amazing. Highly recommend this scent. Honestly, when I burn this, I will probably buy another, because I've never smelled something this delicious. Like, I want to eat it. I'm not gonna, but I really want to eat it. Anyway, that is everything that I got in my CAUSEBOX spring intro box for 2020. I really loved everything that they sent me, and I think it's a really cool box, and I'm excited to get more of them and see what they have. And for $25, I know this was way over $25. Let's be real, three of the 5 items were over $25, like just themselves, so that's crazy. I'll put the total price right here so you can see how much it added up to, but it's an insanely high number considering I paid $25 for it, and I'm excited to see more. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for one yourself. I don't get any commission if you sign up using this link. I'm just putting it there so it's easier for you to find. But so far, I love it, highly recommend it, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!